Hey, welcome to this shortwave radio channel and playing around with, loop, the AN 200 by Texan. Good quality audio cable, although it's way too long for what I should do here. But it still works well because it's good quality, it's well shielded, and Texan H501X, and having a lot of fun checking out how it performs. And actually, what I noticed first is that this loop, when you put it with pretty much any radio, is actually better as an antenna for medium wave than the internal ferrites of all the portables that I've seen. So it shows you that it does improve reception. Now, does that mean this is the best medium wave antenna you should get? That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying it's just better. And there are bigger loops, and there are a lot of loops out there for medium wave. Choose wisely, but definitely for price, performance, and looks, I would say that the guy that designed this, I think, wanted to have something nice. It's a surprising loop antenna, and it's a tuned antenna, so you got to tune it to the frequency you're tuned to. And the reason I'm playing with this, and by the way, this is a really good quality audio cable. It's not the cheap kind, so there's no interference getting in here. Like I said, it could be much shorter for the testing with the radio, but this is only what I have, so I've chosen this. And it works actually well. I could actually put the loop outside almost and have the radio indoors and tune around. One of the reasons I'm testing this tonight, 770 WABC out of New York, which is not really coming in well tonight. Actually, none of the medium wave stations tonight are that great. I have the impression that there's some kind of geomagnetic activity going on, because usually it's a much better than this on these frequencies. And tonight the bands seem to be rather dead and quiet on medium wave, so it tells me that something's happening. So let's hope tomorrow is going to be better. So on 770 WABC, tomorrow starting 10 p.m. Eastern Time. So that's 03 hours Universal Time, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. They are going to, at some point, get off the air for maintenance. That means we'll have the opportunity to DX other stations. If you're in the vicinity of just receiving 770, and here in Montreal, that's all we get on 770, there are several other stations you'll be able to try for. So 10 p.m. Eastern, tomorrow, November 9th, is going to be a maintenance time. So they'll be off for, I don't know how long. It could be minutes, it could be hours, and it'll be time to DX any stations that you cannot, because usually you don't hear anything else than WABC. So check that out, 770 WABC tomorrow, November the 9th, 10 p.m. Eastern Time, with a maintenance time where it'll be off the air. Let's hope propagation is going to be better than tonight. Tonight is horrible on medium wave, and let's hope that it gets better. So that's why I'm testing this tonight, to see if this could be a good antenna and a good match for tomorrow night, and try to DX and listen to any other stations. And of course, I'll have videos of what's happening tomorrow, as WABC will do maintenance and be off the air for a certain time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.